English Pronunciation, Lesson 11. Topic: Can and can't. Part 2. Can.
Now let's talk about can. There are two ways we can say this word, stressed or unstressed. Let's first look at the pronunciation when can is stressed. The phonetic transcription looks like this. As a stressed word, the vowel sound is going to be long and strong. We'll stress can when it's in a final position or when it's before a pause. For example, if you can, call me. Here, can is stressed because it's before a pause. There's a comma, so we pause. If you can, call me. I think I can. Again, can is stressed because it's in a final position. There's nothing following it. There's a long pause, a period. Now, let's look at this sentence. It's rather a statement. I can come. Who said I can't? We're going to stress can here for emphasis. So if you're emphasizing can, the affirmative, you also stress it. Make the vowel sound long and strong. So in all three examples, we have a stressed can. If you can, call me. I think I can. I can come. Who said I can't? Now let's talk about the unstressed pronunciation of can. It's a shorter pronunciation, and we use it when can is followed by other words, like in a question. Can you come? Or when can is not a main verb. She can see well. So, in this sentence, can is not stressed. See is the main verb, and that receives the stress. And in that first question, again, the main verb is come, so come receives the main stress. These verbs, then, are shorter because they're unstressed. What's the phonetic transcription of this shorter, unstressed pronunciation? Well, there are actually two possibilities. Let me show you. The first one is kin. The second one is kin. Remember, when we said this verb, stressed, the phonetic transcription looked like this, and I said that the vowel sound was long and strong. Now we need a vowel sound that is shorter and weaker. What also may help is to understand how do you move your lips, how do you move your tongue. The stressed can makes you pull your lips out, and your tongue is rather flat and pushed forward. Can. When it's unstressed, using this first pronunciation, your lips are slightly more relaxed, but your tongue is still flat and pushed forward. Can. Can. In the second alternative pronunciation, your lips are completely relaxed and your tongue is no longer flat and pushed forward. The middle part is actually pushed up a bit. Kin, kin, kin. Let's try saying all three pronunciations. First, I'll say one, and then you repeat after me. The first one is stressed. Can, can. Now let's try the unstressed pronunciation. Kin, kin. And the alternative unstressed pronunciation? Kin, kin. Let's go back to our two model statements. First, I'll say it this way. Kin, kin. Can you come? Can you come? She can see well. She can see well. Now I'll try it with the alternative pronunciation, unstressed. Can you come? Can you come? She can see well. She can see well.
Exercise 1. Listen and repeat. Question. Who will tell me about Superman? 1. If anyone can, it's Lois Lane. 2. Clark Kent can too. 3. Clark might say he can't, but he can. 4. What can Superman do? 5. He can run faster than a train. 6. He can also fly and see through things. And for those of you who'd like to know more about Superman, you can check out these sites. Exercise 2. Listen closely. You will hear 3 statements. Which one is different? Example. I can, I can, I can't. I said, I can, I can, I can't. C was different. Let's go on to number 1. You can't, you can't, you can. I said, you can't, you can't, you can. C was different. 2. Can they? Can they? Can they? I said, can they? Can they? Can they? B was different. The difference was in the stress. 3. She can help. She can help. She can help. I said, she can help. She can help. She can help. A was different. In A, I emphasized can. 4. We can. We can. We can't. I said, we can. We can. We can't. C was different. 5. Now this one will be a bit more challenging. All 3 statements will be negative. What you need to listen for is whether I say a final T or a glottal stop. Are you ready? He can't. He can't. He can't. I said, he can't. He can't. He can't. A was different. I said the final T in A. In B and C, I used the glottal stop. Listening task. Watch and listen again to Jennifer speak about her vision. How well do you understand the difference between can and can't in spoken English? Hopefully, this task will be easier the second time.
I'll bet you didn't know that I can't see very well without contacts or glasses. It's true, I have very poor vision. I'm what they call nearsighted. That means I can see clearly when things are very close, but I can't see things at a distance. Other people are farsighted. They can see at a distance, but they can't see clearly when objects are close. For example, they can't read without glasses. In my case, hopefully everything will change in 2 days because I'm going to have eye surgery. The technology these days is pretty good because they can correct my vision in about 15 minutes with a laser. I'm a little nervous, but I can hardly wait for the results. So wish me luck. Let's do a review. We looked at different pronunciations of can't, the negative, and can, the affirmative. Can't can have 2 different pronunciations. Try to hear the difference. Can't, can't. Can be stressed or unstressed. When we stress this verb, we say can. Unstressed, that vowel sound becomes shorter, and we can say it either as kin or kin. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy studies.